and I am beginning a series today of the top things I didn't know I needed, but when I got them, I couldn't not have them. In this series also, I'll share with you some of the things that I've purchased that I thought I needed, but then I realized it wasn't really something I needed to have and that there was a much better product out there. So if you are interested in this series, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's share the first product. The first product I want to share with you today is the Milwaukee Packouts. Now, this is one of their smaller versions, but the Milwaukee Packouts is Milwaukee's version of a toolbox that is transportable, interchangeable. It is amazing the things people are doing with these Packouts. Take a peek at some of these creative ideas. So as you can see, these Packouts are very universal. They're very interchangeable. I got to show you something. I just got this Packout, and you're seeing all these different bins on the inside, all that different stuff. Well, let me explain to you. This is not going to be used for parts and pieces. I actually just ordered 3D printed inserts to hold some of the new tools I got. So there's literally an insert that's going to hold this drill in that Packout. Take a peek at it right here. It's on order, haven't got it in yet. Looking forward to having it in place, but I wanted to show you guys the products I'm so glad I have, because these Packouts make it so simple for a weekend warrior like me, or if you're a full-time handyman contractor, these are the boxes to get. Now, make sure you're paying attention to the sales they offer, because Home Depot, Ace Hardware, some of the other places that they sell these Packouts at offer amazing discounts throughout the year. The more you buy, the more you save, and it will save you a lot of money. So just put your money aside if you're interested in these. Now, I do have to say, if you begin purchasing some of these Packouts, you may begin purchasing a lot of these Packouts. They're phenomenal products. Thank you, Milwaukee, for making them, because you guys, you can tell you put the time in. This is not a sponsored video, but that is the first product I wanted to share with you, the Milwaukee Packout system. Now, make sure you like the video, subscribe, because the next video I am going to share with you something even better.